Hello, welcome to my channel.
Today I bring you to new products, our newly launched products. It is made of CNC precision aluminum. Its surface is wear resistant. Without residue. It's clean after wiping. It's like new. Its material is very good. Secondly, this lock has very powerful functions. It has face unlocking.
Please open. Please open.
It can also have remote conversations. Its security is very high. The fingerprint has anti-miss operation function. Not everyone's fingerprints can open it. The handle is also very sturdy and durable. The lock body itself, when you come home at night, you can lock it from inside. You can't open the door with fingerprints. You can't open the door. This increases its security. When the battery is dead, it's very convenient to press here and then remove it. Charging normally takes 8 hours to fully charge. Thank you for watching my video. We will launch more high quality products later for everyone. If you are interested in it, you can contact me anytime.